Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying who you need to make laugh and why. That directs tone and risk. Once done, note your existing style: dry, self-deprecating, physical, and pick one direction to tweak. Then test a single safe joke, a short observational setup with a fast payoff. This minimizes fallout and shows what lands. Make sure to watch reactions and adjust volume and timing. You're doing active research, not rehearsal. Collect a small sample of real responses. You now focus on shaping how the joke arrives. Practice timing by inserting 1 to 2 beat pauses before the punch. That gap lets tension build. Once done, create contrast, set an expectation, and then deliver a twist on the third line. It's why reversal feels funny. Make sure to tighten nonverbal cues: eyebrow lifts, small smiles, and controlled pace. Record one short video and watch for mismatches between words and face. Then iterate until the laugh rate improves. You finish by placing 2 to 3 polished bits into real interactions, spacing them so you don't overwhelm the listener. Once used, measure success informally, estimate the % of times you got a laugh, and tweak specific words, pauses, or emphasis. Make sure to vary material across audiences. Repetition kills surprise. If a joke fails, recover quickly. Back off, offer a light apology, and reframe with a self-aware line that restores rapport. This single troubleshooting move prevents escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.